What group of animals are more in danger of becoming extinct? Which group of animals, what type of animals, which group of animals are more in danger of becoming extinct? What group of animals are more in danger of becoming extinct?
Small animals, microorganisms.
Smaller animal, right answer. So one question will be asked from both of you to decide bronze medalist. Okay, so because both of you given wrong answer. Your question: what is the biggest threat to the existence or and survival of wild animals and birds? What is the biggest threat to the existence and survival of wild animals and birds?
Forestation.
Deforestation is absolutely right answer. Now, your question, Prachi, Sakshi. I am confused from the long years. Prachi and Sakshi. Name two endemic flora.
Sal and white mangoes.
Sal and wild mango is the right answer. Name two endemic fauna. Name two endemic fauna.
Giant squirrel and flying squirrel.
Giant squirrel and
Flying squirrel.
right answer. Name two prokaryotic cell.
Blue green algae and bacteria.
Blue,
Blue green algae and bacteria.
blue, green algae and right answer. Blue, green algae and bacteria are prokaryotic cells. What are eukaryotes? What are eukaryotes?
Organism having nuclear membrane. Organism having microorganism having nuclear membrane.
The cell having nucleus with nuclear membrane. Right answer. I understand. I understand. You get the cell. Microorganism sometimes may not be a cell. Name the longest cell.
Nerve cell. Nerve cell.
Nerve. Nerve cell is the right answer. Name the smallest cell.
Bacteria mycoplasma.
Mycoplasma is the right answer. Bacteria it is. What is tissue?
Organized cells which work together to perform a particular function. Organized cells which work together to perform a particular function.
Organized cell which perform a particular function. Right answer. Name the organs of plant which help in absorption of water and minerals.
Roots.
Root is the Right answer. Right answer. Name the unit in which shape is measured. Name the unit in which shape is measured. G.
Micrometer.
Micrometer is the right answer. Good. You won't try. Won't. You have played very well. So now we have 3 contestants left. It is sure that all of you will get medal, at least bronze medal. The third place will get bronze medal and runners up get silver medal and winner will get gold medal. So ready? First question for you. Your attention should be colored pigment containing organelles. What are colored pigment containing organelles known as? What are colored pigment containing organelles known as? Plastid is absolutely right answer. You have exhausted, you are not clapping. Clap for this. Now your question, Akshita. Which is known as the powerhouse of the cell?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the power of the cell. Right answer. Name the jelly-like substance present inside the cell.
Cytoplasm.
Cytoplasm is right answer. And don't be hurry. You can take time to get the answer. Okay? Don't be nervous, don't be hurry, take time. What is the living matter of the cell known as? What is the living matter of the cell known as?
Protoplasm.
Protoplasm is absolutely right. Right answer. Question for you, Akshita. How many pair of chromosomes are there in human body?
23.
23. Right answer. 23 pair of chromosomes we have. Your question. Hereditary material are contained in what? Where is hereditary material are contained?
Nucleus.
Nucleus in what part of it?
Chromosome.
Chromosome is the right answer. Name the first clone organism.
Ship.
Name.
Dolly.
Dolly. Right answer. Full form of IVF.
In vitro fertilization.
In vitro fertilization. Right answer. What is fetus? Foetus. Fetus.
An unborn baby in the stage in which all its organs can be identified is called fetus.
Right answer. And born baby in the uterus at the stage where all body parts can be identified. Your question. After how many weeks embryo is called fetus? After how many weeks embryo is called fetus?
More than 8 weeks.
8 weeks. Right answer. Kidney is the right answer. Akshita, your question. Which gland is located at the base of brain?
Pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland is the right answer. Your question. Which hormone is secreted by master gland? Which hormone is secreted by master gland?
Gonadotrophic gland.
Right answer. Which hormone controls glucose level in body? Which hormone controls glucose level in body?
Insulin.
Insulin is the right answer. Which hormone maintains salt balance in body?
Aldosterone secreted by adrenal.
Aldosterone. Right answer. Where is adrenal gland located in our body? Not- Where is adrenal gland located in our body?
About the kidney.
Kidney. Kidney is the right answer. What is the name of male hormone?
Testosterone.
Testosterone. Right answer. What is the name of female?
Estrogen. Estrogen.
Estrogen. Right answer. What is the range of bacterial cell length? What is the range of bacterial cell length? What is the range of bacterial cell length?
0.1 mm to 0.5 mm.
Absolutely right answer. 0.1 to 0.5 mm. Why are nerve cells branched? Why are nerve cells branched? BRANCH. Why are nerve cells branched? Yes.
Nerve cells are branched so that they can make contact to other nerve cells in the body and send messages in a lightning speed.
Right answer. Why are red blood cells spherical? Why are red blood cells spherical? Why are red blood cells spherical?
So because they don't contain nutrients.
No.
Because they have to circulate in the nerve.
Because they have to
Circulate in the body.
circulate
In the body.
in the body. Right answer. So, Ananya has played very well.
Sir, his bronze medal was already secured because he did a question wrong.
Why he was playing? हाँ. Got bronze medal. Okay. See, for gold medal they will. Okay. You have played for bronze medal with Sakshi. I am very happy. All of you have got The student who is now in the audience have also been very nice. All have worked. Now the game between these two. Epithelial cell rectangular in shape. Yes.
Epithelial cells are rectangular in shape because they have to protect certain organs in our body.
Right answer. What is female chromosome? Double X. XX. What is the immature form of an animal formed by hatching of the egg called? What is the immature form of an animal formed by the hatching of the egg called?
The larva.
Larva is the right answer. Ananya, name any two animals which undergo metamorphosis.
Silk moth and housefly moth. Silk moth frog.
Silk,
Silk moth and frog.
silk moth and frog. Right answer. At which age does attain puberty?
10 to 13 years of age.
8 to 12 years of age. Right answer. At which age boys attain puberty?
12 to 14 years old.
Right answer. Name one organism which reproduce by budding.
Hydra.
Hydra is the right answer. Name the organ which secretes testosterone.
Testes.
Testis is the right answer. Name the organ which secretes estrogen.
Ovaries.
Right answer. Your question, what is adolescence?
The period between the adulthood and childhood is known as adolescence.
Now the question has been finished. Have you some question, ma'am, or I no tossing, but name one organism which reproduce by binary fission.
Amoeba.
Amoeba is the right answer. Which plant is for increase for forming or appearing of pimples and acne?
Sebaceous glands or oil glands.
Right answer. Sebaceous gland and last question after this toss. Name the emergency hormone. Name the emergency hormone.
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline. Right answer. Adrenaline. So now it is time to toss and Akshita will decide head or tail. Remember your gods and goddesses. Whose god is more stronger will win. Ready? When coin will go up, you have to say tail or head. Okay?
What is it, sir? It is head.
And now finally, only the medalist is decided. Both of you have played very well. Come on this side. I want the picture with you.